Welcome back to Overheat, Mercedes Benz Caravan RV 2026. External design, vehicle base, the most recent generation Mercedes Benz Sprinter chassis, which is renowned for its dependability, would probably serve as the foundation for the motorhome. Modern shape, the body design will have a sleek, contemporary aerodynamic shape that reduces wind resistance for increased fuel economy and a more comfortable ride. Adaptive LED lighting, LED technology will be used for both the headlights and taillights. Panoramic windows. The living or sleeping areas may have large windows with panoramic window options. Easy access. There will be roomy external storage compartments and a smooth, automated electric stairway at the main entrance. Interior. Premium materials. Mercedes-Benz is known for using high-quality materials. Ambient lighting. Every moment will have a unique mood, thanks to a multicolored LED ambient lighting system. Master bedroom. A queen-size bed with a premium orthopedic mattress will be the primary sleeping space. Kitchen, double sink, huge refrigerator with freezer, microwave and oven combo, 2 or 3 burner induction hob. Dining area and seating. There will be enough space for 2 individual sofas or a cozy L-shaped sofa for guests to unwind or enjoy. Smart storage. There will be smart storage options throughout the entire interior. Newest MBUX infotainment system. The motorhome will have the newest MBUX infotainment system with a huge touchscreen, just like contemporary Mercedes-Benz vehicles. Digital cockpit. A completely customized digital cockpit will be available to the driver. Smart connectivity. The RV will have numerous USB-C outlets, wireless charging for mobile devices, and onboard Wi-Fi. Solar panels. The batteries will be charged using a renewable energy source from integrated rooftop solar panels. Lithium-ion battery. All onboard equipment will have a steady power source thanks to a high-capacity lithium-ion battery system. 360-degree video. When parking or navigating confined locations, a 360-degree video system will be quite beneficial.